the Hazara people primarily residing in Afghanistan. Their distinct physical features, often characterized by East Asian features like high cheekbones and almond-shaped eyes, stand out against the predominantly Indo-European appearance of neighboring ethnic groups. This distinction has fueled centuries of speculation about their origins, with a persistent narrative linking them to the legendary Mongol conqueror, Genghis Khan. Oral histories passed down through generations of Hazara families recount tales of descent from Mongol warriors. These narratives, often intertwined with epic battles and heroic conquests, provide a compelling cultural context. But the veracity of such claims requires more than just folklore. It demands scientific scrutiny. In recent decades, the advent of sophisticated genetic analysis has provided an unprecedented opportunity to unravel the mysteries of the Hazara people and their potential connection to Genghis Khan. The intersection of genetics and history offers a powerful lens through which we can examine the past. By analyzing the DNA of present-day populations, scientists can delve into the ancestral origins of different groups, tracing their lineage back through time. This approach has revolutionized our understanding of human migration patterns, cultural diffusion, and the interconnectedness of seemingly disparate populations. In the case of the Hazara, genetic research offers a unique opportunity to unravel the threads of their ancestry and assess the validity of their claimed Mongol heritage.
One chromosomal evidence and Genghis Khan's legacy. The Y chromosome, passed down virtually unchanged from father to son, serves as a valuable tool for tracing paternal lineages. Specific variations in the DNA sequence of the Y chromosome, known as haplogroups, act as genetic markers, allowing scientists to group individuals into distinct lineages and trace their ancestry back to a common ancestor. One of the strongest pieces of evidence linking the Hazara to Genghis Khan is the Y chromosomal haplogroup C, particularly the variant C3C. This haplogroup is rare in surrounding populations but is prevalent among the Hazara. Studies by Kamar et al. 2002 and Zerjal et al. 2003 interpret this as the genetic signature of Genghis Khan and his male relatives. The unique star cluster haplotype associated with Genghis Khan's lineage is present in the Hazara, but nearly absent in other populations around them. This aligns with the historical understanding that the Hazara are descendants of the Mongol armies who migrated and settled in the region. According to Zerjal et al. 2003, a genetic study conducted across Central Asia revealed that approximately 8% of men living in regions formerly under Mongol control share the Y chromosome haplogroup that is thought to be linked to Genghis Khan. The Hazara are one of the key groups where this haplogroup is found in particularly high frequencies. This unique genetic marker provides strong evidence that Genghis Khan's descendants left a significant genetic legacy in populations like the Hazara.
Mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA, offers a parallel narrative tracing maternal lineages. Unlike the Y chromosome, which is inherited solely from the father, mtDNA is passed down from mother to child, providing a unique window into the female side of our ancestry. While Y chromosomal data trace paternal lineage, mtDNA offers insights into maternal ancestry. The Hazara exhibit high frequencies of mtDNA haplogroups of East Eurasian origin, with around 35% of their mtDNA belonging to these lineages, which are virtually absent in neighboring populations. This suggests that the male Mongol warriors were accompanied by women of East Asian origin, possibly brought along during the Mongol conquests. The study of Quintana Murci et al. 2004 reinforces this view, showing that both male and female lineages among the Hazara are consistent with a population of Mongol descent that has remained relatively isolated from neighboring groups, preserving its genetic uniqueness.
The genetic evidence linking the Hazara people to Genghis Khan and the Mongol Empire is further supported by historical accounts and cultural traditions preserved within the Hazara community. The Hazara people have a long-standing oral tradition claiming descent from Genghis Khan and his Mongol soldiers. This claim is further supported by genealogical records, such as those detailed by Musavi, 1998, which document Hazara families tracing their ancestry to the Mongols through male lineage. Although oral histories can sometimes lack precision, the genetic data align well with these cultural narratives, providing a strong foundation for the Hazara's Mongol origins. The oral traditions, culture, and linguistic studies of the Hazara also support their claim of being descendants of Genghis Khan. Prominent scholars such as Elizabeth Emmeline Bacon, Barbara A. West, Yuri Avryanov, and others have documented these traditions, which trace Hazara families back to Genghis Khan. For example, in the early 16th century, Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire, mentioned the Hazaras in his memoir, the Baburnama, referring to them as Turkmen Hazaras. Historians agree that the Hazara people are the result of the intermingling of various Turkic and Mongol groups. According to historian Lutfi Tamarkanov, Mongol soldiers left behind in Afghanistan by Genghis Khan or his successors formed the basis of the Hazara, with some Turkic elements playing a secondary role. Linguistic evidence, historical sources, and genetic studies confirm the inclusion of Mongols in the Hazara lineage.
The star cluster haplotype is a term used to describe a unique Y chromosomal pattern that is highly prevalent among men believed to be descendants of Genghis Khan. This genetic signature has been found across regions that were once part of the Mongol Empire.
Among the Hazara, a significant proportion of men carry this star cluster haplotype, reinforcing the belief that they are direct descendants of Genghis Khan's male lineage. Zerjal et al. 2003 describe this pattern as a genetic legacy of Genghis Khan, estimating that as many as 16 million men worldwide may carry this genetic signature.
The Hazara are notable because they are one of the few populations in Pakistan to exhibit this haplotype, supporting the theory that they are a direct genetic link to the Mongol Empire.
The phylogeographic comparison of Y chromosomal and mtDNA data shows that the Hazara are genetically distinct from their neighboring populations. The high level of genetic diversity within the Hazara population, particularly in their mtDNA, suggests a dual origin. The male ancestors were likely Mongol invaders, while the female ancestors were from East Asia. This matches the historical context of the Mongol Empire, where Mongol armies were often accompanied by East Asian women. This genetic distinction has persisted through the centuries, as the Hazara remained relatively isolated from neighboring groups, further reinforcing their Mongol heritage. The genetic evidence offers a rare insight into the demographic processes that occurred during and after the Mongol invasions of the 13th century.
In conclusion, the Hazara people's genetic heritage strongly suggests that they are descendants of Genghis Khan and his Mongol army. The presence of the Y chromosomal haplogroup C, particularly the star cluster haplotype, is a clear indicator of their direct male line connection to the Mongol Empire. Additionally, the high prevalence of East Eurasian mtDNA suggests that the Mongol invaders were accompanied by women of East Asian origin, further emphasizing the Hazara's unique genetic and historical profile. This combination of genetic evidence and historical records solidifies the Hazara's claim to a Mongol legacy, making them one of the few populations outside of Mongolia that can trace their ancestry directly to Genghis Khan's empire.
1. Kamar R, Ayub Q, Mohyuddin A, Helgeson A, Mazar K, Mansour A, and Tyler Smith C, 2002. Y chromosomal DNA variation in Pakistan. American Journal of Human Genetics, 75, 1107-1124. 2. Zerjal T, Wells R.S., Yuldasheva N, Ruzubakiev R, and Tyler Smith C, 2002. A Genetic Legacy of Genghis Khan, M. 72, 3, 717, 721. 3. Zerjal T. et al., 2003. The Genetic Legacy of the Mongols. American Journal of Human Genetics, 72, 3, 717, 721. 4. Quintana Murci L. et al., 2004. Where West Meets East, the complex mtDNA landscape of the Southwest and Central Asian Corridor. American Journal of Human Genetics, 74, 5, 827, 845. 5. Quintana Murci L. et al., 2004. EBID 6. Musavi Essay, 1998. The Hazars of Afghanistan, an historical, cultural, economic and political study. Curzon Press. 7. Zerjal T. et al., 2003. IBID 8. Zerjal T. et al., 2002. IBID